So we call this thing a torch, and it is an amazing little tool. You can put it in your mouth and use this fiber optic probe to put it exactly where you might have tooth pain. It will actually go up your nose. Some people will put it gently in their ear, or even just underneath your ear where the lymph fluid is and where it will help. Light basically does three things. It increases circulation, it reduces pain and inflammation, and it induces the production of stem cells. So it's a powerful thing. It attaches to your cells, blood cells especially, and there's like receptor sites on the cells for the light chromophores to attach to. So then it goes and it helps any cell to do its job better if it has light. So we're learning so much about it, and it's been around for quite a long time actually, what we have learned. So here's how I just turn this. There's a button on the side of this torch. We call it a torch. I turn it on and I get all the lights on at once. I prefer not to use this setting. I won't go into why. Then there's a flashing on this setting. And then this red, this is 660 and 630 nanometers per second light, which presents as red. And this is the one I would use a lot in my mouth or my nose. It's the most common one to use. And then it goes flashing, and then it looks like it's off, but it's actually just infrared. So this penetrates a little deeper down into the bone and tissue. So this is in the 850, 860, 890 range. And so this is what we see in infrared saunas and that. And then of course now it's flashing, but you can't see. And so here we go to the blue light. And this is really great also for your teeth and for fighting infection. And this can be used on a pet. People use it on their horses, their race horses, actually, expensive horses, you know, to help with infection and those sorts of things. So it's a great little tool. You can hold it in your hand and you can cycle through, and there's the flashing setting on that, and now it's off. So I'm just pushing that button every time to get a new setting. And what the tool comes with, it comes in a little pouch, and it comes with a charger that you plug into a USB. It comes with a spare battery. I've got one in there, and you get a second battery. Don't let the batteries run out. For battery life, the best is not to let them run out. It comes with a little zip pouch and a pair of glasses in case you're a little bit light sensitive and you want to put those on when you're using it. So, but I often put the light right close to my eye here, and right in here, and right at the base of my neck to help me put me to sleep. And it really does work. It's very helpful. So acne, you know, rosacea, all these kinds of things, and so much more that I can't say in any short video at all. So here is our little tool. This is the light torch with the fiber optic probe attached. Now this does come off. The probe comes off, and if you want to just use the larger light, there's a little cap that you screw on, and then again you can see the light in there. Yeah, you can't actually see anything because it's pretty bright. That's the infrared setting, so you can see that it's on there. So this is a very handy little tool to have. You get a toothache and don't have the ability to get to the dentist right away, this and a little bit of clove essential oil are your best friends. So anyways, here we are.